We will talk about deterministic and non-deterministic signal. Deterministic signal is a signal where the physical description is completely determined by a mathematical form and or a graphical form. The value can be predicted. It is regularly. For example, we have a REM signals and the amplitude increase linearly with the time of slope alpha. So for example, when the signal is T and our REM signal, so the signal can be increased based on the slope value is alpha. So we know the value can be predicted. And another signal is the amplitude at any time instance can be predicted in advance. For example, this signal below, it is repeated in a square form signal. So this signal also can be predicted. Okay, non-deterministic signals is a signal where the value cannot be predicted, and precisely also called as a random signal or a probabilistic signal. It happens randomly and irregular pattern. For example, our thermal noise in an electrical circuit, we cannot expect what happened next. So it randomly moves like this signal. So which means a signal like this is happen randomly and we don't know what's going on at the next. Now we go to causal and non-causal signal. Causal signal, if the amplitude is 0 for the time negative, so you will see 0 here when the time is negative. And its continuous time is xt equals to 0 when the t is smaller than 0. So which means xt here is 0. And the discrete times is xn 0 equal to 0 for the n is smaller than 0. So it will write as xt xn. So and causal signal have two types. First is causal, another one is anti-causal. Anti-causal is the amplitude is 0 for the positive time. So when this positive t, the time is 0. So continuous time signal is represented xt equal to 0 when the time is bigger than 0. Discrete time is Sn equal to 0 when the n is bigger than 0. Non-causal signal is a signal where neither causal or nor anti-causal. So which means non-causal signal, which means the signal happen in negative t and also positive t. Both sides have the signals.